Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta and today we will do my friend's makeover, which is very dewy and fresh. So let's begin. First we will clear her face. So here I'm using Garnier Micellar Water. As you can see, she is enjoying the process very much. Now we will prep her face by applying a moisturizer. Then we will apply a primer. After this we will color correct all the dark spots. Here I am applying the color corrector with the applicator brush to hide all the pigmented area. Meanwhile, she is totally sleeping and enjoying the process. She really liked the texture of the products and the brush's softness. I will also like to prep the eyes with a concealer before eye makeup. After giving good 20 to 30 seconds, we will start blending the color corrector. You can see the difference how a color corrector evens the skin tone throughout the face. Now we will blend it more with the beauty blender. Afterwards we will be using foundation. As she has same skin tone like me, so we will be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Nude. Now we will place it evenly on all over the face with the foundation applicator brush. Then we will blend it smoothly with the beauty blender. Also we will take out any extra product if we found on the face. It's time to contour the face. So here I will be using a creamy concealer which is 2 shades darker than the skin tone as a contour. Now we will highlight the high points of the face. Then we will start blending the highlighted area and afterwards the contour one. She is not into makeup very much, so today is just a trial how her face will look after a simple glowy makeup. As you can see on the blended side, the dark concealer used for contouring purpose has given a nice structure to her face. It's time to blush the rosy cheeks. For this, I will be using my old and favorite trick, which is using a pink lipstick to blush out the cheeks. Now we will set the whole face with a translucent powder using a big fluffy brush, as it will help to make less crease on the face and also to give a natural matte finish. Then we will shape the brows and fill them out with the brow powder. Here I am using an angular brow brush to define them. After this, we will set the brow hairs with the transparent mascara. Now we will start the eye makeup with a transitional shade. We will make the crease area with a light brown color and also afterwards we will blend it on all over the eye. Here I will be taking a dark brown shade in the corners and also blending it in the crease area.
I personally like a more subtle and natural eye makeup. We will repeat same for the right eye. I'm taking more product in the corners to give it a shading effect. Now we will outline our lips with a lip liner. We will fill them with the lip liner only for a long lasting effect. Now we will highlight all the high points of the face. Here I will be taking a powder highlighter and applying it on the face with a fan brush. It's time to wake up. Now we will apply mascara on the eyelashes. Here's the final look. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel for new updates.